At the same time, we were being tortured by Israel and the President Chef, the Irish government were voting not to sanction them.
Yes.
The Irish government, North and South, give Israel the green light to torture every one of our citizens because they did nothing the last time.
Shame.
This